Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Here we're going to talk about Dele Farotimi, the human rights lawyer that was detained in Ekiti State, allegedly because of criminal defamation petition filed against him by Babalola, senior advocate of Nigeria. And the good news is that while the man remains in incarceration and people are calling for his immediate release, what the enemy planned for bad or evil for him, God has turned for good for the radical lawyer. This is because his book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, for which Babalola accused him of criminal defamation, is now #1 bestseller in the world. Yes, Amazon has listed Dele Farotimi's book on Babalola's alleged corrupt influence on Nigeria judiciary, #1 bestseller worldwide. That is amazing. What the enemy planned for bad for you, may it be turned to good fortune. Because this is a good fortune for Dele Farotimi. Those who put him in jail think they have taken money away from him. But God and humanity has used it to put money in his pocket in an unprecedented fashion. Now, even before the book went viral worldwide and it became #1 bestseller on Amazon, already the book had become a scarce commodity in Nigeria, sold out everywhere books are sold. That is an indication, that's a message that Nigerians are sending, that the world are sending, that look, set this man free. Don't use impunity against him. If you have anything against him, follow the due process. The idea of whisking him away from Lagos, where he allegedly committed the criminal defamation, to Ekiti State, and you didn't even give him an opportunity to be able to stand bail. You just remanded him there so that you want to show power. You want to show that you can deal with him. It's wrong. Several people have weighed in on this matter. Several prominent Nigerians have said it was wrong to detain this man this long, because the alleged criminal defamation is not a crime that is to the level of that could threaten the society. You know, this is not a treasonable offense. This is not an offense that could cause crisis. In fact, if not that Babalola took him to court or did what he did, allegedly moving him to Ekiti State, many of us have never seen that book before. We have never heard about this book. We have never heard about this book. That is the truth. There are many people that only got to know about this book when Dele Farotimi was detained. And the book was mentioned as one of the reasons why he was detained. That he wrote something inside the book that has to do with that allegedly defamed Babalola. That was when we know that he had a book. We didn't know about that. Many people didn't know about that. But now, after Babalola and all those who allegedly participated in his being whisked away to Ekiti State from Lagos, has given the book unprecedented promotion. I doubt if Dele Farotimi had invested any money in advertising that book. He just wrote it and put it out on Amazon and other places where books are sold and allowed the book to sell itself. I can tell you, if not for this matter, there's no way that book will be number one. And that was because, and Nigerians are showing support to him. Many of those who are buying these books, the book now, it's not because they don't know about the Nigeria and its criminal justice system. Nigerians live that every day. The criminal justice system in Nigeria. Everybody talk about it. Those who have been unfortunate to be part of it, to be victims of it, they are aware of it. Many Nigerians know it. When you hear politicians say go to court after they finish rigging an election, it is because they know Nigeria and its criminal justice system. But what Dele Farotimi had done is to put it in context. And after doing that, not many people was aware until they locked him up. And now the book has become a bestseller. That is a good turn of event from his detention. However, that cannot be the end of the matter. The end of the matter is that he deserves his fundamental human rights. He deserves to be granted a bail, and he ought not to be tried in Ekiti, as many lawyers, senior lawyers are saying. He ought to have been tried in Lagos State, where he allegedly committed the crime. But after all said and done, the onus is now on the Nigerian judicial system to redeem themselves from the content of this book. From the content of this book, the damning content of this book. It is now left for the judges of Nigeria, especially the Chief Justice of Nigeria, to say Nigeria has changed. It is no longer, our judiciary is not what Dele Farotimi wrote in his book. There is a new lease of life in the judiciary, that they have turned a new leaf. The onus is now on the Chief Justice of Nigeria to do the needful by ensuring freedom for Dele Farotimi. And if he is to be prosecuted, let it be done in Lagos and let it follow due process. And so that he doesn't have to follow this kind of Gestapo style with which they took him away from Lagos to Ekiti State. I don't know what you think about this. The good fortune that has smiled to Dele Farotimi, he may not even be aware of what is happening, why they put him down, why he's in detention, that his book is now #1 worldwide. And it's a testament to the kind of people Nigerians are, because most of the people that will buy these books, that will care about Nigerian judicial system, Nigeria and its criminal justice system, are Nigerians at home and abroad. Nigerians can show support when they feel that you are being oppressed. Nigerians are always in support of the downtrodden. The problem of Nigeria has always been leadership. Our leaders, they have failed us. Chinua Achebe made it clear. Nothing wrong with Nigeria. Nothing wrong with the Nigerian atmosphere, the land, the soil of Nigeria, everything. Nothing wrong. The only thing wrong with Nigeria is lack of leadership. Lack of leadership. Leadership that could be able to do the right thing. Nigerian people are good people, and they have shown it to Dele Farotimi. What do you think? Let's hear from you. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.